For our next unit in computer science, we're going to be learning about conditional code. You'll need to have the Learn to Code 1 playground in Swift Playgrounds for this unit. If for some reason you don't still have that Learn to Code 1 playground loaded up in Swift Playgrounds, make sure that you get it installed before next class. To find this, look at the bottom in the More Playgrounds section, and over on the right side of the screen, tap on that See All link. Then you might need to swipe over the Learn to Code 1 playground is right up in this top section. You're looking for the one with the yellow background, and it says Learn to Code 1. Tap on Get to install that in your Swift Playgrounds so that it is all ready to go and loaded up for next time. I know some of you with slower bandwidth, this process might take, maybe 7 to 12 minutes. If your bandwidth is pretty good, you can see it goes pretty fast, and it will be downloaded and installed in about a minute to 2 minutes on average. But if your bandwidth's a little bit slower, you may need some extra time, which is why I'd like you to get that done in advance of our next class so you'll be all ready to go to learn more about conditional code.